All right, so one of the main hesitation that most people have, which is obviously a valuable point, is there a dent or a defect that happens when you're bending pieces at the connection between the modules? So obviously this is a viable questions and concern. We're the first modular brake to be out on the market, but that's something that we've put tremendous amount of efforts to overcome. That was a big challenge, and we're happy to say that we have overcome that challenge. The quality of our bend relies in our TruLine stainless edge. So as you're probably familiar with other brands of brake, they use a piece of stainless coil that wraps over the aluminum extrusion, the Anvil extrusion, that locks the material in place. Because we have a modular feature, we couldn't use coil stock to finish off our Anvil tip. So what we had to do is use an actual solid piece of stainless steel. So that allows us to machine the stainless, which makes it perfectly straight. And in between the modules, you'll notice here, we have a connection that slides into one another, and that gives us our TruLine seamless stainless edge. So that gives us a perfect fit every time and guarantees that you'll have no dents in those joints. The other advantage of having a solid piece of stainless is it won't dent, unlike what was previously used on other brakes, the coil stock that wraps over the Anvil. A lot of times, if you're a knife scorer, you'd go through the stainless from cutting and rubbing on it. That's not an issue with ours. We have a lot of people that bring up if they can cut using a razor blade knife on our brake, and this is no issue. That just goes to show you how seamless our joints are. You can simply take a razor blade knife and cut, and it goes through the joints just like if it was a one-piece setup. That's it. There's no issues with the joints. Acts the exact same way as one piece, except it's modular.